Hello, to this video I'm gonna make a jute recipe, and I have prepared here dry jute, a bunch of fresh coriander, fresh green chili, a 4 medium size of onion, 2 whole garlics, 2 lemon, whole chicken, and I have here also coriander, garlic, onion powder, salt, and olive oil. Now let's get started. And now let's boil our washed chicken. And add some onion, bay leaves, and half lemon. Add 3 teaspoons of salt. Now let's move the foam. For the meantime, we're gonna clean our dried jutes. Remove some stem. Now our dried jute is clean. Now let's soak it with water. Soak the dry jute for about 15 to 20 minutes. And now let's prepare our remaining ingredients. Cut the onion. This is mashed our garlic. Now let's cut our coriander leaves, already washed. Now let's check our chicken. It's already done. Now put aside olive oil. Now let's fry the onion. Now ours is already washed and ready to cook. Fry the onion until it turns to brown. Now let's add the garlic. The same as the onion, once the garlic turns brown, you add another ingredient. Once our onion and garlic turns to brown, and you can smell that aroma, we are now ready to add our dry jute. Our jute. And now let's add our fresh coriander leaves. And mix it. And now let's add our prepared spices. Add teaspoon of onion powder, teaspoon of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, and half teaspoon of salt. Mix them together. And now let's add our chicken broth. And cover it. And now let's grill our green chili. Now done. Turn off the gas. Keep it aside for later on. Now let's squeeze the lemon. Now add the squeezed lemon. Cover it. And now let's add our grilled chili. Cover it. It gives extra aroma. Let's check our jute. Our jute recipe is done and ready to serve. It's so aromatic and it makes our recipe delicious. Now let's serve in a serving plate. Let's put the boiled chicken as toppings.